Someone has energy today. Oh, how I love my little decorations. The little things in life, eh? Anyways. Oh, okay. Oh, yes. Look at them move.
Mom, can I have some juice?
Yes, I can give you some juice.
Yeah.
So guys, it is Ramadan day 5. Oh my goodness, time is flying. Your good deed of the day, because it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Try to pray at the mosque today.
Some sweets.
You better open your coin.
Okay. I'm going to open.
But Caleb, let me tell you, you must try to pray at the mosque, okay? You must do muns at the mosque, okay?
I want to see what's inside.
I just gave you what's inside, baby. Okay.
That one.
Okay. No, this is decorate your house for Eid. This we do on the 29th day of
I want to see
Ramadan.
what's in there.
It's a surprise.
I want to see surprise.
It's 1 a day, baby, okay? So for iftar, I'm cooking, salmon pasta. I've already picked up the salmon. It's been in the freezer, so I need to defrost it. I need to leave it out this way. I'll just leave it to defrost. And now I'm going... I know, it's amazing. And now I'm going to pick up the rest of the ingredients. I have homemade samosas, garlic bread with it, and I might make some pakoras, but I don't know. I'll see. In other news, it's day 5, like I've mentioned, of Ramadan, and I feel much better than day 2 and 3 and 4 as well, which is why I didn't vlog. I've just been getting like the biggest headaches, and I've been wanting to sleep, and usually I don't sleep in the day. So I've just found those 3 days difficult, but now I feel it myself. Yeah, today, alhamdulillah, I feel much better. My husband's been giving me these like good foods and these a ginger shot kind of thing, and just blueberries and just really good food. And I think that's made a big difference with today, because yesterday I had like really good food. Another thing that he picked up for me was dark chocolate, because he said that it's supposed to have like so many antioxidants in it that I feel so good. I do feel good, trust me. I hate it, but I do feel good. How do you feel? Good?
Great.
Good. You ready to go now, yeah? Let's go, baby, okay?
Amazing.
Oh, I got her shoes. Why don't you wear these ones today? Is this you attempting to put your seatbelt on?
Yeah, look.
Caleb's in his booster now. Yes, transition to the booster. Wait, Kay. Wow, this is proving very difficult. But anyways, you're done now. Oh, I think they're done. Put this at the front. Good boy. No. Put this in the front, okay? You need to be safe. Yes, you put this in between your chest. Say like this, okay? There we go. Comfy? No, I didn't think so. Caleb. So we just finished grocery shopping. Picked up Caleb's favorite cereal. Kale, grapes, linseed, flax seeds, blueberries, chia seeds. Oops, I picked up the wrong thing. Peanuts and cashews. Double cream. Garlic bread for the pasta. Some dark chocolate. Bananas. Pen pasta for my pasta. Some hand wash. Cherry tomatoes. Cucumber. Salt. And puree. That's done. And Caleb picked up some Kinder Eggs too, but instead of eating the chocolate, what do? You just smash it on. Now, if you guys don't want to use salmon, you could replace this with chicken. It's completely fine. It would still taste very creamy and tasty. Anyways, I have 2 salmon fillets. This is basically 2 bones. Yes, it is. 2 boneless salmon fillets. Cherry tomatoes. Double cream. Just 1 tablespoon of the balsamic vinegar, tomato puree, lemon, garlic, 2 very small onions. You could use 1 medium one, I don't have any. Bunch of parsley, pan pasta, and just white cheddar cheese. You can use parmesan, but I'm just using white cheddar cheese. So this is the ingredients that you need. I will leave in the description the quantities of what you need. I'm just going to boil this pasta straight away now. Very good tip to boil pasta. Do it with boiling water and then throw it in. Otherwise, it becomes quite sticky and starchy. I'm just gonna let this simmer. Remember, don't cover, whenever you cook pasta, don't cover the top of it, just let it simmer. I put a tablespoon of butter, and I put a tablespoon of, oh, steaming up my thing. A tablespoon of olive oil and the 2 onions. I'm just gonna let it brown slightly, and then I'll throw in the garlic. And now the 3 cloves of garlic, just stir it in. I need to get a new pan. This one is getting a bit thing. It's just the way my husband washes the dishes. He uses the scourer instead of a sponge. Yes, baby? Just use a handful of Hi, Caleb. So use a handful of cherry tomatoes. Chop them up. I would quarter them and then throw them in. Do you know what? I'm just going to put them in the blender and just blend them, or you could chop them with your hands. Put in 1 tablespoon of the puree, then put in 1 tablespoon of the balsamic vinegar. Okay, so I've thrown in the blended tomatoes and just let this cook for a bit. Okay, pasta's done, so I'm draining it and just cold water all over it. Okay, so now, do you want me to put it on you? Yeah, should I put it on you? Yeah. Yeah,
don't. That's just somebody like me.
Okay, so I've just added the salmon. Just let this cook now for a few minutes. Now, what are you moaning about? Well, why? What isn't it?
Looks like it's been found.
It isn't organic. Yeah. Shush. Now squeeze a lemon in. Well, half a lemon. So I seasoned it with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of chili powder. So, and now I've just put in the whole tub of double cream. A bunch of parsley, and I just chopped it up, and now the sauce is done. Now you just add the pasta. I put a generous amount of cheese, and then you stir in the cheese, and then it's basically cooked. What I do as well, when I stir in the cheese, I top it off with cheese and just let the cheese steam into it when I put the top onto it. I'll show you guys when it's done, but right now just stir this in. Now this is basically steaming through. I don't want to disturb the steam, but it's steaming through, and that's your pasta done, guys. Garlic bread slices to serve it with, and some salad. Iftar done. Oh my god. We're done. We're ready to eat. Usually before iftar, me and my husband have a date shake, and it's just so filling. We don't even need to eat. We just kind of have fruit and then the shake and then pray and then eat about half an hour later. So it is pretty good. Basically, I use maybe 1 cup of organic milk, flax seeds, chia seeds, 4 dates, honey. I use 2 tablespoons vanilla ice cream and 1 banana, and then just basically put it in here to blitz, and it's just so good. With the quantities, you could use 1 tablespoon of flaxseed, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1 whole banana, 1 teaspoon of honey, and just blitz. Now this is the shake done. What you could do is you could top it with some whipped cream as well. So my husband's is plain, and me being me, I've topped mine with whipped cream. But Mommy? It's amazing, and Mommy? That's done. Yes, baby?
What is that? What
it's cream. Do you want some? You can have some.
I'm gonna have some.
Yeah, you can. Okay, so it's iftar time. We're ready to eat. What time is it? Is it time now? Oh, I forgot the dates. Okay, anyway. Bismillah. Happy iftar. It's 5 minutes left for iftar. I just had a really bad headache, and I've just found it quite difficult today. But yeah, I've made shepherd's pie, Yorkshire pudding, veg, basically today. And the only thing that I've been craving the whole day is these. I've been dying to eat baby gherkins. Yeah. Anyways, I need to plate up before I miss iftar. And food is ready. Ooh wee. Here we go. Yummy. Alhamdulillah. Okay, so it's iftar now. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I'm gonna eat, pray, read Quran, pray, go to bed. See you guys tomorrow.